dashcam.
That's why you don't f***ing cut corners, you fat slag. I'll race you.
Yeah, go on then.
That's a red light for traffic coming the other way, you absolute moron. And this is a green light. Are we colourblind? Are we struggling with basic colours? Do we need to go back to primary school? Ay, ay, ay. Green means a go, not a f***ounder with your phone.
What was his role in it?
Nothing, it was just
Always
entrepreneur,
up the top.
No, where the fuck do you go, mate?
What the fuck was that? Ow.
And there's another one.
There's another one.
There's another one, right, idiot.
With you.
Are actually missold. Supreme Court has confirmed claims involving discretionary commissions where dealers secretly.
I don't think he's happy about that, and he's just trying to.
More commission.
He's trying to block me off.
Millions of agreements are still affected.
Him.
Billions of average payout over $1
Merge point, prick.
per agreement.
Hesitancy.
You've got meatballs too. Look at that.
You can beat him.
What's the point?
Oh.
But you fought back, and I've got a voice. It sounds like proud of smoking. Okay, then it's time to play this morning's festival.
Oh, that was red. Fucking hell.
Ah, she's not completely abiding.
Oh my god.
What card games we play? Do you know, truth be told, yesterday we didn't get Truth be told, yesterday we didn't get but there aren't that many. Museum of Broadcasting. Temple Place.
Ooh!
You have that cyclist, yeah.
Oversized numpty.
pretty sure that's speeding, mate. I'm doing 30.
I think you're going a little bit fast.
Another well-modified GT3. A 911 Carrera S with yes, well, the wheels are obviously a matter of taste. And this is what was called a steam Pantechnicon. Now, here we have a Triumph Toledo and a Ford Model Y. Being a Ford, you've got to have straps to hold the bonnet down, otherwise it might fall off. And here we have a Morris commercial. And here we have an early 1970s 911 Targa that you would never ever lose in a car park. Not that colour anyway.
Come on, dickhead. What a miracle! Nice.
Our officer to do something.